Alright guys, so the installation is done right now. I didn't really want to record the guys installing the complete process because it kind of looks sketchy. I'm not, very comfortable putting the people in awkward position, just videoing the whole process here. So I kind of just videoed them putting the poles up. I kind of just gonna explain to you what happened.
Perfect.
So basically, like you see those red poles here, they kind of install them on the ground and kind of just lift it up. After we took a while to figure out would it go, like, should I put it closer to the door or deeper inside. That took a while, a lot of discussion trying to figure that out, but we decided to put it closer to the door, so I'm gonna have some workspace in front in case I want to pull an engine out or do something. And keep in mind, in the summertime we could always have those doors open and I can still have a pickup truck here, or I can back it in. So either way, I thought that was the best way to put it. After they put it in, you notice they drilled some holes here and literally just banged the bolts in after it got it all level and squared up. It seems like the hardest thing of the installation is figuring out the position, figuring out if it's square or not, and trying to make it level. Once you get that done, the rest of the job, I'm not gonna say it's easy. It took some time, but it seems like, easier than putting the IKEA furniture together, okay? So.
And a good day to you too. Thank you.
You can see we pulled in Owen's car here to kind of test it out. This hoist does have two safety mechanisms for if you're going up and you want the hoist to stop. Basically, there is a cylinder right here at the top of my finger, a cylinder stopper here. So when the cylinder hit this, it will trigger and stop the hoist from going higher. And also that bar across, if the top of the car hits that, it will stop it so the car don't go right for the ceiling, okay? So there's a few safety stuff on there. Pretty much nice solid hoist, all wired in directly already. We have some extra bars here that you can put on top here in case you have a taller vehicle to lift up. All in all, it was a decent hoist, and it was a lot cheaper than some of the other stuff we were looking at, because hoists of that size to lift about 10,000 pounds will probably run you between 6, 7, and some brands even go as high as $8,000 just for that hoist, and plus maybe $1,000 for delivery and installation. Okay, whereas this hoist here, I was able to get it in for under $5,000 install, delivered, taxes, everything. So actually that is not bad at all. The customer service, I'm not gonna lie, from that owner is not the greatest, but you know what, at the end of the day, it was affordable, it's done, and hey, another hoist in. Let's go make that money for us. Peace.
Easy.